Shona Ferguson's daughter, Alicia, breaks her silence. Words can't express how I'm feeling right now. My worst fear became a reality, Alicia Angel Ferguson, daughter of Connie and Shona Ferguson, wrote on her Instagram account on Saturday. Conrad Mwanza, a representative from the Ferguson Foundation, confirmed to a local publication that Shona had died from the virus-related complications at Milpark Hospital on Friday. Since the devastating news broke, condolences have been streaming in from everywhere. "You fought your fight, Dad, and I'm so proud of you for making it this far," quote Alicia, who matriculated in 2020, added. "You've left a legacy behind that I will carry on, as I did make this promise to you when I was little. Thank you for everything that you've done for me, my Dlathu. You made a promise to me that you'll always be there when I need you, so I believe you will always be there even in spirit." Alicia, or Ali as her mom fondly refers to her, said she'll miss her dad being her personal photographer and other fond memories like the smell of his perfume in the house. "I'm going to miss a lot of things, but most importantly, your hugs," she said in her heartfelt tribute to her dad. "I know you are protecting us from out there in heaven. I miss you and words can't express how much I love you, far. Rest in peace, my twin." On Alicia's 18th birthday in June 2020, Shona wrote a special message to his daughter accompanied by photos. "My baby is 18 today. Happy birthday, my angel. True story, doctors told me I could never have children of my own. God had other plans, because he knew I needed you. My miracle baby. Daddy loves you more than you will ever know. I was right there when you came into this world, and I will always be there whenever you need me. Happy birthday, Juice. I love you, baby."
Yeah.